In this video, I am gonna show you how to lose weight quickly using the apple cider vinegar and baking soda combo. So look, I do understand the struggle and the countless plans and methods that failed every single time. I was in the same boat with you. I had fat covering all my skin, but I had overcome that a long time ago. My personal method was the old school method. I used dieting, healthy foods, and intense fitness workouts, and that's simply because I love training. Some people just don't like it or they don't even have the time for it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a small easy remedy that worked for thousands of people all over the world as it can work for you as well. Use it to burn that extra fat and look prettier and healthier. So get ready, take your notepad, and here we go. Alright, first of all, go grab your organic apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw organic apple cider vinegar with 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and just fill the rest of the glass with warm water. But be careful not to use cold water as it can be harmful to your liver. Stir the mix until thoroughly dissolved, usually takes around 1 minute. But take a small glass, like a shot glass would be just enough for this remedy. And that's it. Simple as that, but very effective. Now, if you find the taste unpleasant, have some orange wedges or pineapple slices at hand. Drink this recipe 3 times a day, and within the first week, you should start seeing results. But if you have a digestive condition that affects the mouth, esophagus, stomach, or intestines, then you should see a doctor before taking this remedy. Now, with that said, if you want more weight loss hacks that burn all your fat without even working out, type in the URL browser address bar healthchargeplan.com or click the link in the description below. There you opt in and you will get my 100% free ebook that contains 10 weight loss hacks that will lead you to have a good looking healthy body. Alright, if you did find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cool stuff about weight loss, and if you have any questions, just type in the comments below and I'm always happy to answer. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Karim Atamni and I will see you later.